Okay, here we go. Going on the ferry. This video is made for Shellene Moore. Here we go. Keelan, are you excited, sir?
Yes.
Look at the camera, please. Oh, Ben?
Yeah.
Let's see your nice shirt. Wow.
Thank you very much.
Here we go. It's not like ferries in BC. That's all there is to it.
We can't get out.
No, we'll sink if we get out. Hello, Merry Christmas. Let's start recording other people in their cars on Christmas Day too. There's the other ferry coming in.
Happy.
You're so happy? Let's see your teeth. Kiki. Yay. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yay.
We're moving.
So happy to go on the north side.
We're moving. You feel it?
Well, I see it moving.
Let's see what time it is. 2:42. I wonder how long it takes to get over there. Oh non, c'est correct.
Pas transfert, hein? Nous autres, il faut qu'on traverse dans 5 minutes.
We just have to drop him off and then back
Non,
on.
il n'y a pas de tarif de même, hein? Dommage.
No Christmas special here.
Merci, merci. Merci.
Did you understand that?
Quoi ça?
Can you explain what just happened?
Well, yeah, I asked for a transfer since we have to cross back in about 5 minutes. And they don't do anything like that. They're greedy. That's the guy
That's really sad.
The guy who owns this ferry is like a multi-millionaire.
And he owns all of Quebec.
Yeah, he owns, yes, the province of Quebec.
He does. We're
Yep.
crossing from Quebec country to Canada. Quebec. Keelan, Lapierre, Moore, Chartres. Look at all the toys that we have back here. We had our second Christmas at Ben's mom's house. And we were very, very spoiled there. Keelan has
Hot Wheels,
Hot Wheels,
monster trucks, portable DVD player,
portable DVD player with 2 DVDs in it too. And airport, lots of things from you. From you all, he reacted. I think the happiest.
Yeah, the Hot Wheel thing.
The Hot Wheel things that you guys bought. It's the happiest moment
The
for him.
Hot Wheel track that you hang on the wall and you have to put some nice screws in the wall, but it makes a little boy very happy.
Very happy. We're going to put that in his room, and from now on, he'll stay in there till 9 a.m. and let us sleep every day.
Yay! So happy!
So happy! Whoops.
You.
Okay, we are almost there, and that's the end of our video. Let's all do Merry Christmas again.
Oh, there's another one.
Oh! This other one, full of cars.